Okay. So we'll start with table of, because you told me table of 9, no, first. So we will start with table of 99. Okay. So you can give heading first. Magic multiplication tables. Write in your copy. Magic multiplication tables. And we'll start with table of 9. Okay. So just write table of 9 in your copy. You already know this table. So just write this table. When you are done, just let me know.
Ma'am, I have done it.
Very good. So now we'll start with table of 99. Okay. And let me tell you a magical trick. In the 99 table, you will write table of 9. For example, 9 2s are 18. So I will write 18 like this. See, 1 and 8. So what I'm doing, I'm leaving one gap. Okay. I'm leaving one gap. And in this gap, I will write 9. Okay. So if I have to write 9 3s are 99 3s are, so I will write 9 3s are 27. Leave the gap, and in the gap, I will write 9. Okay. Can you write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Finding it simple?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 9 4s are 36. So you can straight write now. 396. 9 5s are 45. 495. Instead of 9 writing in the last, you can start writing 9 in the numbering sequence. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, I have done it.
Okay. And now can you tell me how you will write 999 table? Using the same trick.
Ma'am, we have to write 1 and then
Yes.
9 below the second 9 and 8 below.
See, you will write 2 9s. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So 1 80 18. Then because when there is table of 99, you are writing 1 9. Okay. 99 has 2 9s. You are writing only 1 9. Now 999 has 3 9s. So how many 9s you will write? 2 9s.
2 9.
Okay. And it will go same way.
Okay, ma'am.
2997. 3,996. 4,995.
Ma'am, I have done it.
Very good. Let me also do it. Okay. I think you have started writing now faster than me. Okay. So now if I ask you, how will you write table of 9,999? Can you tell me what is 9,999 Tuza?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It will be 19998.
Yes.
19998.
Yes. And this is your homework. Okay. Don't write it in the class. This is your homework. Just write this table and write homework above. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So complete this table and send me the pic in WhatsApp. Okay.
Ma'am, actually, I don't have the WhatsApp number of you as I am doing in other device.
I have added you in a that WhatsApp group. Can you? I think with that number is with your mom, no? That number is with
yes,
your mummy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Not to worry. Okay, so done this match?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And the next table, which you told me is favorite of you, is 15, isn't it? So now just write table of 5 first. First write table of 5 in your copy.
Ma'am, I have done it.
Very good. Okay. Now we will write table of 55. Okay. Okay. Now tell me what is 5 twos are?
10.
10. So again, I will write 10 with a gap. Okay. Again, I will write 10 with a gap. So I will write 10 like this. 1, 0, 10. Okay. Now I have to fill this gap. Okay. So how will I fill this gap? What will I do? I will add the digits of 10. So I will write 10 and I will add them. 1 plus 0 is?
1.
1. So I will write 1 in the center. 110 is the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's do what is 5 threes are?
165.
Yes. See, you have, okay. You are a smart boy. Very good. So 15 you will write and just, you can do this in mind also. Okay. I'm just writing for the sake of understanding. Yes. 165. Very good.
Ma'am, I have done it.
Very good, very good. Let me also do it quickly. So have you observed one thing? Whenever you are getting 0 in the unit place, your number is getting repeated, like 220, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And any other pattern have you observed in this table?
Yes, ma'am. After 155, then 110, then 165, then 220, then 275. Then it is numerically 6, 7, 8.
Yes, excellent. If you look at the tens place, very good, very good. See, if you look at the tens place, you will find every alternate number is a counting 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay.
Yes.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every alternate number, if you go, it is a counting in the tens digit. Very good, very good. Okay. Good thing.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's move. And if I tell you to write table of 555, can you write? Suppose you have to write table of 555. So what is the trick for that? Can you tell me? Same trick which was there for 999.
We have 555 twos is 1 1 1 5
0 0 5 to the 10.
0.
See, here you are writing 1 1 in the center. Here you will write 2 ones in the center. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now just write quickly table of 555. It is easy to write.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done it.
Oh, you are moving faster than me. That's good. Okay. Now you know what is your homework?
Yes, ma'am. The table of 5,555.
Yes. So table of 5,555 is your homework. Okay. So do it in homework. Okay. Now let's come to the next table, and that table is 25. Okay. Now there is a trick to write. You know table till 24. That's what you told me, no?
Yes, ma'am. I also know 25.
You also know 25 table. Okay, quickly tell me 25 table. You say 25. I will write. Okay, you will say I will write. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. 25 1 ja 25, 25 2 ja 50, 25 3 ja 75, 25 4 ja 100, 25 5 ja 125, 25 6 ja 150, 25 7 ja 175, 25 8 ja 200, 25 9 ja 225, 25 10 ja 250.
Excellent. Superb. Very good. Very good. Okay. So, the interesting thing about 25 is that if you divide 100 into 4 parts, like 1, 25, or not start, let's start with 1, 25, 50, 75, and then comes 100. You know this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So 25 is the fourth part of 100. Okay, 25. So if we add 25 four times, we will reach 100. Okay, so that is why 25 fours is 100. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's really good. Okay. Now let's come to another table series, and that is table of 21. Okay, tell me table of 21.
21 1 ja 21, 21 2 ja 42, 21 3 ja 63, 21 4 ja 84, 25 5 ja 105, 25 6 ja 126, 25 7 ja 147, 25 8 ja 186, 25 9 ja
188. Just wait. It is 188.
Sorry, ma'am, I said 160.
See, I think it is wrong. 168. It will be 168. 21 8s are 168. Okay.
21 6 are 168. 21 9s are 100. And ma'am, if it is 68, then it will be 190.
189. 189. Because 2 9s is 18, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
yes. And 21 10s is 210. Now, can you write table of 31?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try. Because see, what is happening in 31? There are two numbers, 3 and 1. Okay, so just take table of 3. 3 2s are 6. And table of 1, you know, 1 2s are 2. 3 3s are 9. 1 3s are 3. Okay. 3 4s are 12. 1 4s are 4. So you will find on the right hand side, you will get counting 1 2 3 4 5. And on the left hand side, you have to write the table of 3. Just try. Written, Shubham?
Ma'am, I am right.
Okay, okay. When you are done, let me know.
Ma'am, I have done it.
Very good. Now let's write table of 51.
Ma'am, I have written it.
Very good. Now write table of 71.
Ma'am, I have written it.
Okay. Now the homework is 91 table. Okay. 91 table is your homework. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will do dodging tables. Okay. Now we will do dodging tables. Do you understand what is dodging tables?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So dodging table means I will ask the table in between. Okay. For example, 55 sevens are something like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now let's see what we have done till now. Let's go once again and then we'll start. So we did nine series table, 99, 999 and 9,999 is our homework. Then we came to 5 series, 55, 555. And now we have come to 25. We have seen the table of 25. And then we have come to 1 series, 21, 31, 51, 71. In between, you can write 61, 81, whatever table left out, you can write that. Okay. Now let's come to dodging tables. So if I ask you, I am giving you 5 questions. You write in your copy and then you can answer. Okay. So 51 multiply 4. 61 multiply 8. 77 multiply 5. 55 multiply 9. 99 multiply 6. First do it in your copy and then tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. I
Yes,
have done it.
very good. Tell me the first answer.
51 multiplied by 4 equals to 204.
Very good. 61 eights are.
61 eights are 488.
Very good.
77
77 fives are.
335.
335. This is wrong somewhere. What you will do? You will add 3 plus 5 here. So you will get 8. So 385. Okay, just correct it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Just correct it. This is 385. Okay, as
Yes.
you will practice, you will understand. Okay, 55 nines are.
Ma'am, you have given, you gave me 45 nines.
See question number 4. Look at question number 4.
Once a ma'am, I have written it for 45 nines.
Oh, do correct it. Just rub it, correct it, and rewrite it.
Yes, ma'am. It is 495.
Yes, 495. Because what you are doing here? Here you are adding 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Okay. Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now 99 6.
594.
Yes, 594. Excellent. So you got 4 out of 5 marks. Well done. Very good. Write in your copy. Okay, well done. Because I can't write in your copy. I can't check your copy. Okay. So you write in your copy. And make a smiley.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will do mental maths. Okay. Now we will do mental maths. So basically no pen, no paper. Okay. No need to write anything on paper and no need to lift your pen. Just sit and look at the screen. Okay. And you have to tell the answer as I am writing the questions. Okay. So question number 1 is, and just close your copy and just relax, calm. Okay. Be very, very calm. Okay. Okay. Tell me what is 4 8s are.
Ma'am, it is 32.
Yes, very good. 4 8s are 32. Next. 8 7s are.
56.
Very good. Third. 11 4s are.
44.
Very good. Fourth. 22 3s are.
66.
Very good. Fifth. 99 7s are.
693.
Very good. Next. 71 2s are.
142.
Very good. Seventh. 41 8s are.
368.
What is 4 8s are?
Ma'am, it is 32.
Yes, so 3 2 8. Okay, so this one is just gone wrong. Others all are correct. Okay, very good. Okay, now question number 8. 999 twos are.
One 1998.
Very good, very good. Now comes question number 9. 9,999 eights are.
7,992.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay. Next question is 55 fours are.
220.
Very good. Next is 55 six are.
395.
What is 5 6?
Mm,
5
it
6
is
is
30.
30. And what is 3 plus 0?
3.
So what is the answer?
300. 330.
See, whenever you will get a 0, you will find the number will get repeated. Okay. Understood? Shubham.
Okay,
55 8s.
440.
Yes. And last question. What is 55 2s?
It is 110.
Yes, very good. Okay, now let's come to one more last question.
Ma'am, my net is very disturbing. So your video stopped. Ma'am, can I take the Wi-Fi from another device?
Your net is getting disturbed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you log in from other device, no problem. Okay, let's wait for a few minutes. Yes. It's okay, Shubham?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is 555 times 4?
Ma'am, it is 2220.
Yes, very good, very good. So you have scored 12 out of 14. Excellent performance. Well done. Oh, I didn't. Well done. Okay. Now write your homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the homework which I have already given you inside, no? Okay. The homework like 91 table, you will write that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is okay. You will write table of 12, 16 and 18. Okay. And
Okay,
second tip is mental maths. So what you will do, you will tell your mom to say these numbers to you. Okay. And you will tell the answer. Okay. This is no paper, no pencil homework. Okay. What you will do, you will use no paper, no pencil. No paper, no pencil. Just revise orally. Okay. Because mentally calculation is very important. Doing it in your mind. Okay. So let's start first. Sorry, 3 I have not written. 3, 4. Written, Shubham?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So whatever we have done, try to do it mentally. Okay. Give this copy to your mom and let her ask random question from whatever we have done. Okay. So you'll find your speed of answering will improve because you are already giving correct answers. Okay. You are already giving correct answers. So only what you need is that enhancement in the speed. So more you practice, your speed will increase. Okay. So that is why I've given you very less written exercise. You have to do more of mental. We will practice more of the mental maths. Okay. So with this,
Okay,
I am
ma'am.
closing today's class. And now we will meet. Okay. Now we will meet tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye-bye.